Hello guys, welcome to Python and Machine Learning Daily. Python is a multi-purpose language with a lot of different use cases and applications that you can create. But what are the most popular ones, the popular use cases and specializations worth diving into, worth learning to increase your chances to get a job or projects? And for that, I made a mini research on Upwork, trying to tag and classify the jobs from one day on Upwork. And in one day, there are roughly 200 Python jobs on Upwork. That's why I chose this platform, just because of the volume of the data, with possibility to draw at least some conclusions on what is popular. And in this video, I will provide you with those use cases, the most popular ones. So in this video, we will discuss these results that I got. Which projects, project types, and use cases are the most popular in Python on Upwork? Of course, it's just one day of data, so you should take it with a grain of salt, but still, the main conclusion out of that is variety of projects, which means using totally different libraries and tools on top of Python, for example, for web and chatbots. Those are kind of totally different topics, but with Python underneath. So in this data set, there are three kind of clear winners, top three topics, and everything else is pretty similar. So let's see some examples one by one. So web and APIs are by far the most popular topic, with examples like this. So Vue.js and Python, so Python is needed for backend. Or for example, experienced full stack developer for MVP, which includes Python as one of the technology. The second popular example is web scraping, which is edgy and not legal all the time, but still a lot of jobs around scraping public emails, for example, which is probably illegal in some cases. Then web scraping project with some UI on top. So this is also a typical Python use case on Upwork. And then the third group, I grouped it into data science, which means data manipulation, transformation, analysis, exploration, visualization, and other stuff around some data, whether it's CSV or SQL database or some external source. It's about working with data. For example, here, data science and plate data access project. That data may be in various formats, including different tools like BigQuery, for example, or in this case, plate. Or for example, it could be data visualizations with Power BI, for example, or Tableau, or various dashboards tools. So that data science in itself, it has a lot of subsections, use cases, and tools underneath. But I grouped it into one, data science. And then all of those are also popular use cases. You can just browse around Upwork and see for yourself. So a lot of people want chatbots or bots for Telegram or Discord or something like that. Then computer vision is also popular to perform OCR, image recognition, video recognition processing, or transformation of the images. That is popular. Of course, OpenAI GPT and various open source LLMs like Llama are also popular with Python, as well as building your own ML models or help with various business automations like here. And finally on this list, last but not the least, is DevOps and deployment of those models and Python scripts and various API integrations, and also blockchain and trading. So I wanted to shoot this video kind of like an overview of the ecosystem, what you can do with Python. You can focus on any of those areas yourself. That's your personal preference and choice. On this channel, I'm planning not to focus on the web, but for now I'm focusing on data science mostly, and I have a few chatbot videos. So we'll see in the future what topics I will cover next on this channel, but what is clear is there is variety of choices within Python ecosystem with real-life practical projects on Upwork, which means exciting future for this channel and for me as I'm learning those tools and shooting videos about them. So subscribe if you want to get that in the future. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.